Hi, my name is Isolators. I'm founder CEO of Farm Fresh Grocery. I grew up as an asthmatic patient from the age of 2, and this came with lots of allergies. Some I didn't even know they were allergies until I was around 30. After I discovered they were allergies, I was asked to stay off a couple of things, and one of them was artificial sweeteners and refined sugar. Being a sweet tooth, this was a huge problem, and I actively searched for sweetener options, and I realized they were limited, and this inspired me to start infusing herbs in honey. So my health journey actually led me to start my business. But along the line, I also realized that there was a bigger problem aside nutrition, and that's the problem of heat. The heat is affecting the bees, killing them, killing the birds, and then the older ones abscond when it is really hot, when the temperature rises higher than 40 degrees in Nigeria and in a lot of humid environments in Africa. And that inspired us to search inward, and that's how we came about the heat-insulated beehives. So we want to keep the bees safe, because if the bees are safe, then pollination is safe, food is guaranteed, because without the bees, there's no food. And then we also want to be able to support our smallholder farmers, because we find out that it's a struggle for them. The heat also affects the herbs, so our goal is to be able to work with them and provide them with solar dehydrators that can be used to maintain the quality of herbs that they produce, and they can also generate more income. So we're already addressing the issue of providing a functional honey that does more than being a sweetener to our customers, and they are already buying our products in the supermarket. So our honeys are handmade, carefully infused with ethically grown herbs. So we have the hibiscus, then we have the cinnamon and lemon. There's the natural honey for those who don't like their honey infused in anything. Then we have the ginger and lemon, and finally we have the moringa and lemon. So last year we did, I think, for $7,000. With this grant, we hope to be able to, we're projecting that we can do $120,000 by next year. The funding will help us guarantee the sustainability of our business. We'll have enough funding to construct our heat-insulated beehives, which would sustain production in terms of increasing honey yield. And then it will also increase the yield for our smallholder beekeepers that we partner with. And then it will also help us afford the solar dehydrators that we want to provide to our herb farmers. Packaging machine for our infused honey. So if you see this is, we actually stick on the packaging. So we want to be able to get a market that automates everything. So there's still some manual aspect in our production. So it will help us also scale to a technology-based processing.